Hi guys, welcome back to Art of Motorcycles. At the same time, I'm at Art of Motorcycles. At the same time, she's Maya. At the same time, I'm at Art of Motorcycle. Just use not at the same time. Except for the later way.
Hey guys, welcome back to Art of Motorcycle. Hope you guys remember this. This is the bit which I forgot last time. Now I got it, so let's remove the chain sprocket. Remove the 15 teeth sprocket. Now let's put the 16 teeth sprocket. To fit a chain sprocket, you need some special tool for a big bike. Even this special tools are used in our normal bikes too. This is to lock your sprocket, so you need not have to put it on gear and your gearbox has pressure while removing or fitting it back. This is to lock the socket, which I have already told you, and everything has got a torque. So you need to make sure while you are tightening it, you need to specify whatever part you are going to tighten it up with a torque wrench. So the company has specified 85 Nm torque and have set it up to 85 Nm torque. So you know, with a high-speed machine, there shouldn't be no errors where you can just haath mein tight kar diya aur ho gaya, right? So you need to be precise while working on your motorcycle. Start carrying all the special tools you might be requiring. You don't know when it is going to be handy. Just to make sure how does this thing work, I want to just give you a glance. This has your sprocket. This is the lock. How this lock works, when you tighten this, it locks. Then you can remove or tighten this without damaging your sprocket or the shaft. This is very important to use special tools whenever you guys are working on your motorcycle. Once you fix the sprocket, tighten up according to the torque, then you have a washer over here which you need to bend it out. I think you guys can see here. Okay, then the job is done. Now I just need to put back this chain over here, adjust the chain sprocket according to this particular sprocket. Then tomorrow morning I'll be starting to work on my radiator. Until then, have a safe day. Good night. Hi guys, welcome back. Before we start today, I'm going to introduce you guys to my toolkit, Mr. Toolkit. So first and foremost thing, which I love the most, is my torque wrenches. This is 5 to 25 Nm torque, which I need for my body kit and majority of chotku motu stuff. 2200. Then comes the big man, which is 50 to 225. But 225 Nm torque is not required. I use it till up to 150, 155 Nm for the engine and other stuff. But till date, I have only used it till 110, and at the same time for clutch. That's it. I have my regular top tool kit. It has got everything what I require to fix this particular motorcycle, and one of the socket is missing. It will be somewhere here and there. 38 mm socket with an extender. 27 and 17 number Allen key for my front wheel and my rear wheel remover. This previously I have already explained you my sprocket holder, front sprocket holder, mallet, 13 and 12 to adjust my chain link remover. If you have watched my previous vlog, oil seal, compressor and dust cover compressor. Player, पक्कड़, cutting player, ये सब कुछ बुलाते हैं, but technical word for this is multi-purpose player. Chain cleaner brush, which you guys already know or you have it. 38 mm socket for my front sprocket. Some adapters for big to small sockets. Oil filter remover and loop toe. Last year when Shobit came, while completing his ride, he burnt his clutch plates. I towed an Explorer, which is way bigger and way heavier motorcycle. On this, plenty of other motorcycles have been towed by this. I got it from Murthaza. Pretty good. Air filter oil from Maxima. Chain cleaner from Maxima. Radiator coolant from Maxima. Dot 5 brake fluid from Maxima. Dot 4 मिलना मुश्किल होता है. Dot 5 for high speed riding is the best. Show you certain spares which I carry, extra spares in case of emergency. 15 teeth sprocket for the mountains or whenever I'm doing trails or something where I require more initial pickup, so I use a 15 teeth sprocket. Extra levers and even a gear lever. Soldering kit in case of emergency and a magnet pen. This I use it to remove my spark plugs. Without this it is really difficult to remove a tram tiger, and sometimes while fixing anything a nut or a bolt nut or a screw falls inside, it's easier to remove. If you have seen my previous vlog of Goa, my jugaad for filling up radiator fluid, 8 and 10 mm spanner. Then I have my head torch, very important, especially at night. And apart from that, I have kept a pair of tube. I use a tube tire because I don't know, it's my belief. I don't believe in tubeless, but I prefer tube tires. And till date, they have worked pretty fine with me, and I can seriously count on my fingers how many times I have a flat tire. It's been since 2003 or 2002 I've been riding Royal Enfield till 2014, and from 2014 till date I'm riding my Tram Tiger. I've always used tube. It has worked really well for me. So it's kind of a belief or something. Technically speaking, if you have a tubeless tire, there's only air and the rim. When you are riding on off-road terrain, what happens is if there is a bend on your rim, then the air goes by. You have to insert a tube to get out of the situation. Or if you put a slime or something, it blocks the nozzle. It has happened previously on my Royal Enfield. So I have afraid you can't increase or decrease the air pressure once it blocks the nozzle. So I don't use any slime or anything. Till date, tubes have worked very well and really good with me. And if you know how to replace a tube, then you need not have to worry. And if you have all the tools, I have an air compressor and tube which I have kept it at home, which I'll show you to you once I'm introducing you guys to my riding gear before packing. Today what we have to do is, today I need to torque my rear wheel. I've already adjusted the chain. Sorry I couldn't show you guys because from morning I was sitting without any work. And morning times there's so many people around me, I can't vlog because there's a lot of ambient sound. Now it is already 1:30 in the morning, and I prefer to finish all the work till early morning, and I'll go to sleep. And once the daylight comes where I can start my motorcycle, I'll start my motorcycle. And I need to fix, this time I need to fix my GPS. I've got a Garmin 590 LM, one of my dream GPS. I need to do the wiring and I need to fix this particular thing on Maya. First, let's torque up the rear wheel, move to the sprocket cover, gear lever. Then let's remove all the plastic in front, drain the radiator coolant. Then we need to flush it out with distilled water so it just cleans up. The same way, I'll just remove the whole radiator, remove all the dust and everything. After that, I'll also check the radiator fan, fill up the radiator fluid in the morning.
Now it's already 6:31. Really tired. I was shooting at the same time finishing up the edit, so it took me a lot of time. So see you guys in the next episode. Until then,